romance scammers are on the rise. So this video is going to help you guys. I just thought, you know what, this is one thing I need to do. And today, this is a video you have to save. Because it's going to save you from being scammed. It's going to save you from having all your savings wiped out from your account. It will help you to learn to search the person using pictures before you even chat to them, because scammers are getting smarter. So we also have to get smarter. So this video is going to give you that smartness that you need so that you carry on your dating. I know there's a lot of scamming going on because of girls who are into interracial dating. So I have to do this video to help you guys because I've gone through it myself, and I need just to give you a heads up so that you can easily spot a scammer. Right. So scammers will come with English names. Robert Morton, Robert Smith, whatever. And majority of these guys, they are not even white people. They are other nationalities. But they know that there are women who are looking for well-to-do white men. So what they do now, you see, you type, like, especially on my TikTok, when I actually put a post up, and they will come in the comment section, I'm looking for a girl, I live in the UK, blah, blah. And then you go on their profile, they see, oh, these white people's pictures. Normally, they put pictures with so many people with them, and the main profile will be their face. So you think you found a white guy, and they start chatting you up. You chat, and then if you are not careful, they'll sweet talk you. You forget that you've never done a video call with them. You have to do a video call. Right. Before you even go there, I want you to save their pictures. Right? Save them on your phone. Go to google.com. Right? On the Google Lens, you can take that picture and it will show you where that picture is appearing. It could be appearing on LinkedIn with a different name. It could be appearing on a church service somewhere with a different name. It will appear on Instagram with a different name. Then you should know that's a scammer and immediately block that person. Block them. Okay? So that's what they do. So not every profile with a white person on them is a white person's profile. They are scammers. Let me tell you a story. Years back when I was just new into this dating, this guy was chatting me up. And I think it was on Tinder. And he chatted me up all the way from London, and he wanted to meet me. He was living in Scotland and everything. And I was like, wow, I finally found the guy. So we're chatting, and the pictures were just, oh God, I tell you, you'd think, oh my God, I finally found the guy. But guess what? I was silly. I didn't even ask for a video call. And then he said, okay, we'll talk at night. So when I go home, he called. I'm hearing this Nigerian accent. I said, I need a video call. What's wrong? He said, what's wrong? I said, can we have a video call? He said, what's wrong? I said, I need a video call with you, please, because your accent is not consistent with the pictures. He said, why? I said, I'm just asking. I'm ready for a video call. Guess what? The guy blocked me. He blocked me immediately. You see, this is what happens on the dating apps. So always, you need to request a video call. That's why being on dating apps where there's verification, ID verification, is very important, because you know that this is the person, okay? But still, when you start communicating, you still need to do video call. Video calling is the way forward. There's no way you can continue chatting to someone you've never seen, even their face. That's wrong, okay? So, you know, these pictures that they use, you can find them in stock photos, like Shutterproof and all those other stock photos where you can find free photos. Some of them will be taken from there, or some pictures may be celebrities. And all these are red flags once your searches are coming up. You see this person's name, photo is appearing in a different country. You see this person's photo is appearing on Instagram with a different name. All those are red flags you need to watch out for. If you want to do extended checks, there are some places that you can check. I'll give you the places now where you can do additional checks of the person. So it will give you exactly who they are, and it reduces the chances of really falling in the hands of a scammer. There is this tool called TinEye or Yandex. It also scans out the pictures to see, to give you more detail on who these people are. The real person will be showing on there. So they will analyze the pictures and I'll tell you where this person, who the real person is. So we never send money to them, any important documents, any important information like where you live, the kind of work you do, your real name. You don't do that until you've seen the person. Wait until you see this person face to face, then you start talking like that. Anything else that you're doing online, don't give those details. These may be real scammers. They may get into accounts easily like that. Yeah, so do not do it. Not every profile with a white person's face is a white person's profile. Never. The best way is to have a video call with them. Then you know that, yeah, they're white and they're matching the profile. Without that, it's a scam. I hope this is helpful. As I said, I'm going to repeat. Download their photo, the photos that are on the profile. Go to google.com, go on the lens, Google Lens, click on that and go on the photo. It will show you where the photo is appearing. You could go to other places as well, which I've mentioned. There's Yandex, tineye.com, and there's yandex.com as well. Those are the sites that you can actually go to get additional information, which can give you more information. tineye.com or yandex.com. Yeah, but Google will do the job for you. Google Lens, I use it a lot. I just put someone's picture there to show me where this person is appearing. If it's in LinkedIn, it will point me to LinkedIn and then go and check their profile. If it's Instagram, I'll go to Instagram. If it's TikTok, obviously, that's where the scammers are. It will point you to TikTok as well. So once you see that profile appearing in all these places with different names, run. Okay? I hope this is helpful. You take care, guys. Bye-bye.